Hi guys, today I'm gonna show off my cars collection, and this is for Nigel News since he makes awesome cars videos. But allow me to show you them. I'll show everything that I have. So this right here is Lightning McQueen. He is the main hero and main protagonist in the Cars franchise, and I really wish he'd win the final race in the first movie, but unfortunately Chick Hicks did. But he does look pretty amazing. I've been a fan of Cars for as long as I could remember as a little child. That's all I could pretty much say about him. Okay, so next we've got Doc. Doc looks pretty amazing. I like his color. And he is a great character from the Cars franchise. He could be he might be a lawyer from the first Cars movie or the judge. I haven't seen much of the Cars movies in a very long time, so I don't really have all the Cars characters. So, okay, next we've got The King, one of the best three racers in the first Cars movie. He looks pretty amazing. He's number 43. Lightning McQueen is 95. King is 43. Nothing much to say about him. I also have another King. I don't know why there's an M in whatever the fuck this is. I don't know why I have a duplicate. But I might remodel the duplicate. I might remodel the duplicate. We'll just have to see. Alright, next we got Luigi. It reminds me of Super Mario Bros. He looks pretty amazing. Yet I have another Luigi who looks like a firefighter. Next we have a random racer, Aiken Axler. He's a Nitro 8 racer and is number 28. He has a black and orange color. Who else do we have? Next, I guarantee you it's Wingo, who's the delinquent road hazards cars that put Mac to sleep. I also have another Wingo. His color's going away right here. But still a good racer. Next we have DJ. Yep, you see his boosters. And yeah, his tires look amazing. Nothing much to say about him. And another DJ, which I don't know why I have. Okay, so next I have Philo. It looks like I remember from a Piston Cup gas station or a repair station. She looks pretty. A great aqua teal color. I need to stop moving the box. You know what? Fuck it. Stay right there. So next I have Snot Rod. He always sneezes in order to go faster. He has an orange color. Nothing much to say about him. And yet I have another Snot Rod, which I might remodel this. I might color it to see what it looks like, to see how cool it looks. This, I guarantee you, is Kevin Racing Tire. He's a shifty drug racer. It's number 35, which is my least favorite number. But he does have a pinkish yellow color. Next I have Ramon, a purple car. He looks pretty cool. He has flames on his sides. That's all to say about him. I also have the recolors of Ramon, which this one is red. I have a yellow one. I don't know why these come in different colors. I have a blue Ramon. Oh yeah, where's the other one? Let me take. And I have a green Ramon. I don't understand how the fuck these come in different colors. Maybe it was from the movies. I don't know if I don't remember if they were. But that's all I gotta say. And we have the sheriff who has arrested Lightning McQueen and the delinquent road hazards in the first movie until Lightning got pardoned. Yep, he's got sirens. That's cool. Next we have Fred. He looks pretty goofy. A brown color. Who else do we got? I've got Paunchy. A blue and white color. Oh yeah, I forgot I got Paunchy and Kevin somewhere around late 2024. I stopped collecting Cars toys, somewhere like 2011 because I kind of forgot all about the movie since the Cars 2 movie. But I still seen Cars 2 and Cars 3. Next we have this tractor pig. It always goes, this. Yeah, whenever the tractor pig's driving goes like that. Oh yeah, somewhere around childhood this wheels broke, so I had to glue it back on somewhere last year or this year. Next we got the blimp, the Lightyear blimp. Looks amazing. Next we got this Woody car from the version of Toy Story. Don't know why that's here. But I remember at the end of the Cars movies, there are some Cars versions where there were from Toy Story, A Bug's Life, Monsters Inc., Incredibles, yada yada yada. Oh yeah, we got Mater, Tom Mater, a very funny tow truck, which Larry the Cable Guy voices. Yep, and as a tow truck, you have this hook where you have to tow the car just in case you're out of gas or you get stuck off a cliff. Nextly, we got Claude Scruggs. He's a leakless driver and is number 52. And we got Sarge as an MP. I don't remember what that stands for, but let's get to Sarge now. This is Sarge. Kinda looks amazing. Next we got Krusty Rotors, a number 76 driver, and is a vinyl toupee driver. He's pink, black. Not much to say about it. Next we got this farmer. I don't know or remember his name. It looks pretty amazing. This, I don't remember his name. But this car looks like Sterling. I don't remember if I collected this back in 2017. I'm pretty sure I did, but this kind of looks like Sterling. I don't know or remember. And next we got the fireworks, or the 4th of July version of Mater that I got in 2015. A cousin of mine gave it to me. And we got this plane. Interesting. We got this official Piston Cup car. And here is Fillmore as a firefighter. And here's the regular Fillmore. Interesting color. The black and white Fillmore. Here's the Dynaco. Looking car. What do you call these? What do you call these lifting trucks again? Probably don't remember. But here's Guido as with a wig or her weird looking 4th of July look. This one looks pretty scary. I don't remember this name. We got Sarge in an MP look. Yeah, another Sarge. That's a weird looking. I mean, no. This is Doc. I mean, no, Sheriff. And here's Doc as a green color. Here's Flo as an Incredibles look. Here's Fillmore as Incredibles look. No. This is Ramon as an Incredibles look. And this one, I don't know what this is again. I probably don't remember, but I think it's Mario, I believe. This one, I don't remember either. But it does look pretty colorful. But we got this helicopter that has, hang on. I changed the propellers. See, 5 propellers. Dynaco helicopter. This looks like a crate. There's Little Lightning McQueen. You've got Mac. We got this host looking thing. Yeah, she's got camera. We have Lightning McQueen as a new look. A very fast Lightning McQueen. We have Lightning McQueen covered in gunk and looks disgusting. I got from pre-K for some reason, from school for some reason. Here's number 17. I don't know if this is, I don't remember if this is really a racer, but it does look like an older look. I don't remember what this is either, but it does look like a Wild Western racer. Next, we got Chick Hicks, the main antagonist from the first Cars movie. The HTB, Hostile Takeover Bank. Yeah, in the third Cars movie, the Hostile Takeover Bank wasn't on Chick Hicks anymore. But I do, of course, have Bruiser Bukowski. And it's another one of these types of vehicles that lifts crates. Alright, and next we got Winford, Bradford Rutherford. He's number 64 and is an RPM racer. I also have another RPM racer, Winford, which is broken. Yeah, this broke and this broke. And last year, the 64 on this side fell off, so I had to glue it. I don't really use this anymore, so I'm not going to put it in the box. But I do have red, the fire truck. Looks pretty good. Oh, and I have another Claude Scruggs, which I might have to paint that and remodel it. I don't remember what this is, but it looks pretty amazing. Another tow truck, I believe. And I remember this kind of statue that was in the first Cars movie that Lightning McQueen accidentally broke. But it does look pretty good. Oh, and I have another sheriff, which I don't know why I have. But I do have Todd Marcus as a 123, a no stuff racer. He's red and black. Nothing much to say. I don't know if this racer's named Boost. I believe it's Boost. But he does look pretty amazing. I wish to show all these to Nigel News. I have another Mater who has a 95 on the side of his, on the side. I believe it might have been from the second Cars movie. Oh yeah, and I also have Guido, the regular Guido. Looks pretty cool. And next I have the greenish blue Mater. Alright, next I have Sally, who looks like it might be Lightning McQueen's girlfriend. Let me see what what it says on the back side, because I can't show it on camera because it'll get blurry. It says Carrera, I believe. I can't even see it because it'll get all blurry. Yeah, Carrera. And this is the coolest looking thing I ever seen. Lightning McQueen is all painted in blue as a Dinoco racer. Yes, I believe it was from the first Cars movie. And next, we have the Buzz Lightyear racer. So yeah, that's all I pretty much have to show you. I think I'll collect more in the future, and if you want me to, comment down below.